You want to see something that looks really, really, really good. Now that, my friends, is what I'm talking about. Before we get too carried away, gotta let you guys know the giveaway for this STI officially ends tomorrow. This is your last shot. If you want to get entered in on winning this car, head to the website. $3 spent is one entry to take home the 500 wheel horsepower fully built STI. And a couple things to note. If you win and you don't want the car, you can select $15,000 in cash. I will be covering all of the shipping costs, the transport costs on the car, or I'll fly you out here to Spokane and you can drive the car home. Again, my friends, the giveaway ends tomorrow. Every $3 you spend on the website is one entry to take home the car. Today is a very exciting day for the STI. This thing is getting some much needed love on the exterior and the interior. By the end of today, this thing's gonna be looking completely different. It's already pretty nice, but it's gonna be better. Let's head to the shop. Let's get the day started off with the exterior. The worst part of this car is the headlights. Now the driver's side cleaned up pretty good with the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. The problem with these headlights is someone previously has been in the headlights. To pull out the amber, the inside of the lens is where all that cloudiness and fogginess comes from. So I was able to go ahead and pick up a brand new set of headlight lens. These things should look absolutely incredible on the car, provided they fit nice. I don't think I've ever seen anyone replace an STI headlight lens with the aftermarket version. So I'm very curious to see how these fit. And if you're wondering why I didn't just replace the headlights altogether, well, they are STI headlights, a bit different than the WRX version. You cannot buy these new OEM anymore, and all the aftermarket OEM styles are WRX. New lens are the best option, so we can retain all the OEM STI stuff, such as the HIDs, the levelers, all that good stuff. Let's get her done. So I went ahead and pulled off all the everything, bulbs, motor, ballast. Now it's just a bare headlight with the housing and the lens. From here it goes in the oven, about 150 degrees, about 10 minutes, just enough to get that glue warm enough so we can separate the lens from the housing. The entire headlight's torn down. I'm gonna go through and try to get as much of this old glue out as possible. I'll do a test fit on the new lens and then we can reassemble. I don't see a point in doing anything with this. I'm gonna leave that nice and OEM. To be honest, I wish this had the amber. I think the amber looks pretty good on the blob eye, but it doesn't. Someone already took it out and threw it away. In order for the lens to go back on the housing, we need to put it back in the oven to get the new headlight butyl warmed up, and then we'll squish it together, screw it together, and move forward. Overall, very pleased. Are they OEM quality? Obviously not, they're not OEM. I think for the pair, they were $150-ish. Like this little edge right here, there is that tiny chip just super minor stuff like that. Again, not a big deal. This is quite literally the only option if you have a STI and you want to maintain all the OEM functions of the STI headlights, but you need new lens. That is not acceptable. Sure, is that OEM? It is. That is much, much better. Now, I doubt they're gonna last as long as OEM. Keep in mind, this is 04, 22 years old. If you got 10 years out of those, that's a pretty good investment. Let's knock that side out and move on. And there she is. Both lenses are now replaced. This one was the crusty one, and here is how it looks now. That was much needed. Now you guys know what's coming, a different set of wheels, but first, all new OEM badging for the entire car. You would think that this would be a few dollars, let's say 20 bucks, I feel like would be acceptable for a bunch of stickers. Hundreds of dollars is what we're looking at, which is insane, absolutely insane. But it is all new badging for the entire car. Fog lights, the grille, the doors, the trunk. I'm gonna start off with the front. Fog covers, work my way up to the grille. Pretty excited for the grille stuff. Hit the doors and then the trunk. Here she is outside in all of her glory. She definitely needed all this badging. The pink, the cherry blossom, 04 only. It's so good. Just look at that angle right there. That's quality. All right, it's time. This thing is getting new wheels. I was going to powder coat the silver NT03s gold, but then if the winner of the car wanted the silver NT03s, I'd have to repowder coat them back silver. So what did I do? Well, I went and ordered gold NT03s. In my opinion, this is what the car needs. The OEM gold BBS look great. The silver NT03s look great. But if you combine the two, you get this. And my friends, that is going to be the move on this car. Of course, in my opinion. Let's slap on some tires, roll her outside, see what we think. I'll be honest, I was not expecting myself personally to like it this much. I think this is better than the silver wheels and the BBSs combined. Just my opinion, take it for what it's worth. You guys know how I do my giveaways. Whatever the winner wants on the car is fine with me. OEM BBS STI wheels Of course, the gold NT03s or the silver NT03s are the choice for this build. Now, I have not touched this interior whatsoever. It is pretty rough as it sits. I take that back. I've done one thing. I installed the gauges and that was it. There's no floor mats. The carpet is torn up. Overall, just a little bit dirty. Main thing is the carpet. So before this car heads off to the new owner, I want to get the interior sorted out as well. Let's take a look at the carpet. Yeah, that's pretty rough. Now I could just cover that with a floor mat, call it a day, move on with life, and you know, be a little ghetto. It would be, I guess, acceptable. It's a floor mat that would cover all that. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace the carpet, of course, with a fresh OEM STI blue carpet set, which is what we have sitting right here. Now, in order to replace the carpet, of course, all the seats need to come out. All of these door sills need to come out. The entire center console comes out. You already know how I roll. When all that's out, I'll go through, get everything cleaned up, get that carpet swapped, and then we could add the floor mats. And there we have it. Carpet is out. All the other pieces are removed, of course. And now I'm gonna go through, get all this cleaned up, get all this cleaned up, and then all of this can go back in. There's one beautiful part that I've ordered for the interior of this car. I wish it was here right now because we would install it. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty neat. That should be here tomorrow, which is exciting. Interior is dang near done. One of the last things is going to be floor mats. Floor mats are in. The logo is kind of big. That's my only complaint. Other than that, pretty nice, and I like that they're black. The OEMs in 04, I believe, would be blue. It's a lot of blue going on. The black breaks it up nicely. My golly, gold was certainly the move on the NT03s. This thing is very, very OEM plus looking now, which you guys know I really enjoy. Even more important than the new wheels, those new headlights. Man, oh man, that changed everything. Look how clean this car's looking. All the logos. Usually not a big fan of the chrome logos, and honestly, I don't know if I am a big fan of these. STI was a must. The other ones, I don't know. The winner can decide if they want them or they can remove them. Now with that being said, that's a wrap on the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Car will be hitting the dyno tomorrow once again. Of course, the goal being to make the same amount of power, 500 wheel, thousands of RPM sooner. That's the goal. We'll get her done. I'll see you boys tomorrow. If you want the car, go lock in your entries. If you don't, hopefully you're enjoying this little rebuild series.